What's up, YouTube? Boy, can we say something? I'm back before we get to it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you always watch the full video.
Is this not the house that burnt down like 2 years ago? 3 years ago?
Look, I mean, things can be rebuilt, but if I, but I don't think it would be looking like this. They would have to really take every. I mean, let's just the house burnt down, but man,
I
get
live right
nobody.
around the corner. I was coming to tell you that you had a great house.
We'll circle back to her in a bit,
Whoa, how you gonna say somebody got a great house and then do that?
but trust me, you're going to want to see how that plays out. Bronx, New York, and Grandma pulled up with a shopping cart like it's bargain day on the porch.
Why are you touching my stuff? Why you touch my stuff?
Titusville, Florida. This guy shows up at midnight with some sketchy request.
You don't know me.
Then why are you at my house? Then why are you here? If you ain't making a delivery, bro, get up out of here, especially at night, nigga.
Somebody got one of my AirPods in there. One of my AirPods is in there. I must have lost it and somebody picked it up. It's showing me exactly where it's at. I got GPS on it. It's showing exactly where it's at. I don't want to get the police involved. I will. All right.
Like, what are you even doing, dude? Homeowner shuts it down, and suddenly he's out of there. Baltimore, Maryland. Turns out even a tall
That's crazy, bro. That nigga ain't no telling what he was about to do.
fence isn't enough to keep some folks out.
Ooh. Was that a rat?
Enough to keep some folks out.
Ugh. Ugh.
Jamaica, New York. And honestly, I'll never get why some folks leave their packages out for days.
This is people that be at work. That's why. This is people who work 16 hour shifts. Probably they probably out on vacation. But then, hey, if you do work a lot of hours, or you go on vacation a lot, you need to stop ordering a gang of stuff too.
Y'all, just use a locker, or at least grab it before it becomes community property.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
excuse
Excuse me.
me, excuse me.
Norfolk, Virginia.
Like you gotta like for that type of situations. Again, you work a lot of hours, you order a lot of stuff. You need to have somebody that can come pick that stuff up. Friend, I don't know, your significant other, your little side piece. Probably not the side piece, 'cause especially if you got somebody there, that you live with.
Yeah. Honestly, lock it up, y'all. They're out there. Virginia Beach, Virginia. And this one's a classic. She delivers the package, snaps a
It
picture of
takes.
proof, then turns right around and steals it. Like, ma'am, you work for the scam and the delivery team now?
That's crazy.
Township of Washington, New Jersey. And here we go again. But bad news, buddy. The homeowner's watching it all go down live. Let's see how this one plays out.
Bro,
Want to leave it?
bro, you work, nigga. You make too much money to be doing that, dog.
Hello? For what? For what? For what he gonna read it? What's that? So why he gonna read it? Because he took a picture of it like he left it on the porch. I saw him through the ring.
I was looking at him through the window too.
Yeah.
I thought he would leave it.
Yeah. He took a picture. Thank you. Thank you. Put a signature there. Thank you. Oh, that's it.
Bro, he just casually walked back like nothing just happened. Oh, can you sign this?
Yeah, it was actually yours. Exactly.
Yeah.
That's why he told me. Yes, exactly.
In Sun Valley, Nevada, two guys show up with a serious sounding request. But the whole thing, it feels off. Let's find out. Was it legit or just another late night sketch fest?
Can I help you?
Yeah, we tried some AirPods. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, you guys got the wrong house.
It's saying they're right here.
Yeah, no, brother, you got the wrong house.
363 W 2nd Avenue.
Yep, this is it, but I don't got no AirPods here.
You got neighbors? Okay, look, hold on. I'm gonna show you this to the ring camera. It's saying they're right here.
Yeah, again, I don't got anything here, brother.
You got neighbors?
Yeah, there's neighbors
Like,
next door, down below you. There's other ones as well.
All right. Do you have any like kids? Anything?
Yeah, I got kids, but they've been with me the whole time.
All right then.
Yeah, because where'd you lose them by?
Hey, where'd you lose it for? I'll look for it. Somebody picked them up.
Idaho Falls, Idaho.
What the
And
fuck is this?
This is why you never forget to lock your doors.
Oh,
One twist of
God.
that handle, and it could have gone way worse. Seriously,
Look at
y'all.
this nigga,
Double
bro. And I, like, Paul, that nigga got some size over here. For, nigga, this is gonna be a real fight. For ladies, you was, man, bruh. That's why I be feeling scared for women, bro, because at any given time, bro, any given moment. And it sat there.
El Paso, Texas, and this one's just creepy. Guy on a motorcycle starts circling a woman, like full on trying to intimidate her. It's a harsh reminder.
See what I'm saying? Any given moment.
Walking at night can be straight up dangerous, especially for women. Jacksonville,
This why, lady, I need to always carry some mace and a pocket knife.
Florida.
Hello? You was on the phone, right? You was on the phone? You was on the phone? Answer the phone. I see you at the door. Answer the phone.
These girls showed up at 3 a.m., jiggling the door handle, making threats, and the homeowner never even seen them before. They came back multiple times.
She was thinking shit.
Meanwhile, in
For that lady, hey, I was gonna say, what? Ladies, for these moments right here, right? You gotta, one, y'all need to have all your fingers with some rings, right? And then two, all you gotta do is in this moment, come out, snatch her by like this, snatch her like this, snatch her like this, Mac, and shove her back and run back in the house. Or grab her, snatch her in the house, and it's over. She's done. Look.
Meanwhile, in Spokane, Washington, this lady's just standing there, being weird, and then starts vandalizing the place.
Sorry,
That was
we're not
it.
interested. Have a great day.
I think ring cameras attract weirdos. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, not subtle. She did get arrested though, thankfully. Let's hope that's the last time she shows up here.
And you can't. Oh yeah, go. This little girl need help. She can't. That's her daughter right there. I was thinking. I'm hearing mom. I'm thinking this is coming from inside the house.
Seattle, Washington. And yeah, this one's pretty concerning. Guy rolls up and tries to unlock the pet door with some kind of tool. Real quick, if you're into this kind of content, don't forget to like the video. It helps get it out to more people and keeps the community aware of what's really going on out there. All right, back to the madness.
Oh, he got in. Oh no, that's
Like,
intense.
sir, you're not squeezing through that thing. Be serious. Lock your doors, y'all. And maybe your pet doors too.
That's why it's good not to have big ass dogs too, bro. Cause that would have been crazy if nigga would have got in. It would have been all bad for whoever's in his house. That nigga would have had a bad rape. Nigga, as soon as he knock out.
Springfield, Ohio. And we've got an elderly cat thief on the
Shit out
loose.
that nigga, boy.
She's out here roaming the neighborhood with cat food in a carrier, trying to lure cats like it's some feline heist mission. Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's 1:30 in the morning, and these girls show up ringing the doorbell twice.
Well, it's definitely not this one. This one, it's quiet.
Bro, these are where y'all parents at? Bro, these are like 17, probably 18-year-old kids. 18, alright, you cool. But 17, bro, where y'all parents at, bro? Bro, my daughter would not be outside at no 17 at 1 in the morning. I don't care if this is our apartment complex or none of that. Get your ass in the room. Go lay down. Go read a book. This be the problem, bro. This again, any given time something can happen, and these girls are outside at 1:30 in the morning.
Why would I lock the door?
They're laughing like it's some kind of joke. But ladies, disturbing people at this hour? Yeah, that's not a hobby. Go home. Go to bed. Daytona Beach, Florida. And yep, this is what happens when you leave your car doors unlocked. Lock it up, even in your own driveway. Titusville, Florida. This lady spots a grill on someone's porch, snaps a pic, and sends it to her boyfriend. Later that night, he shows up and straight up steals it. Asheville, North Carolina. And who are these guys just hanging out in someone's driveway at 2 a.m.?
This is a message from your local dealer. Not actually your dealer, but yeah, my name ain't Takias. Why are you sleeping so early? Alright, peace.
Toledo, Ohio. And this guy is definitely on something. wanders straight into someone's backyard. Homeowner didn't waste a second, called the cops, and they showed up fast. Let's see how this one plays out.
Stay right there. How can I move? If I'm mates. How can I move? How can I stand up? I'm mates. Stand up. How? I'm mates. Stand up. I'm mates.
This nigga. Oh, that's why he stumbled. He said he got maced.
Put your hands behind your back. No, I am. How can I follow you, bro? What you got going on? Come on. Let's get it over.
He must have thrown it to somebody else's house or yard or whatever. They hit that hit amazing, nigga, and he stole it to somebody else's yard.
Let's get it over with. I can't see, bro. I can't see. Ain't nothing in my pocket. Okay. Nothing. I don't even know where you search. I'm telling you. Ain't nothing in my pocket. Hey, man, my eyes. So y'all, my eyes. You want me to go? I can't walk, bro. My eyes.
We're moving, I'm telling you.
I can't see.
Let's go.
Man, press your red, bro.
Toledo, Ohio.
7. That's misleading.
Can I help you?
Hey, I'm looking for Rachel. I'm looking for 4426 or 62.
That's not me. That's not me.
Sorry about that. Didn't mean to disturb you.
Yeah, you good. Go
Yes,
on.
Yep. Y'all have a good one.
Go home, rock star.
Thank you.
Nigga, bro. Imagine getting your head blown off for selling a box that probably had nothing in it, bro. That probably had a phone case in it. Like that's what I don't get about selling package. You don't know what's in it, bro. You might be selling nothing. You imagine doing all that and it's a phone case. It's a charger. Like nigga, a charger to a phone you don't even have.
Seattle, Washington. And honestly, I don't even know what to say. Like, how are we even supposed to protect our homes when this is what we're dealing with? It's frustrating. Spokane, Washington.
That nigga gonna open up the package right
Surprise,
there.
it's cat litter. He takes one look and bails. Like, nah, not worth it.
Chewy, bro?
Rochester, New York, and here comes Grandpa, ringing the doorbell at midnight with some kind of weird request. Like, sir, what are we doing out here this late? Let's see what he's got to say.
We're glad you came by. We'll be there in a moment.
Can I talk to you, please? No, it's nothing like that. I'm not a criminal or anything. I wanted to know if you had an extra folding chair that I could borrow. Pardon me? Okay, thank you anyway. Thank you anyways. God bless you.
Nigga came at midnight, nigga. Grandpa, I'm finna knock you out. I'm finna fold you. Fucking chair, nigga. You don't get up out of here.
And I better not see none of my chairs missing. I will call the police on you.
Okay, I'm gonna call the police anyway.
Rochester, New York. And yep, here comes another grandpa, this time shopping for shoes
I ain't get the same dude.
and plants off someone. And yep,
Wait.
Cheers, man. Thank you anyways.
Good.
Thank you anyways. God bless you.
York, off someone's porch.
They look the same nigga, bro. Unless I'm tripping.
He's out here like, which size fits me best? Seriously though, why are we seeing so many grandpas out here at midnight doing this stuff?
That nigga took some shoes and a plant.
Classic porch
He took some shoes and a plant. He probably don't even have a home. Where you taking the plant to, bro?
pirate on the prowl.
Hey, put that back! Put that back! You stole my radio. You next, I'm beating your next.
Jacksonville, Florida. And we've got a full-on serial porch pirate out here.
This is a nice ass yard, bro. I would love this. Not all these trees though. Cause that shit, boy. Some on this Florida too. Don't tell me having thunderstorms and tornadoes and shit, bro. I would not have this in my yard.
Whole neighborhood's getting hit. Y'all, this dude needs to be stopped.
Look, if somebody would have just came out this door and snatched his dumb ass by the shirt. Bing, bing, bow, niggas.
Athens, Georgia. No knock, no words, just creepy giggles.
She didn't. This is all she had on. She had no clothes on up under that.
Yeah, I'm locking every door after this one.
What?
Hey, come here.
Uniondale, New York. And this porch pirate really took his sweet time, just casually stealing someone's groceries.
Yo, is everything all right? What are you doing? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This lady rings the doorbell, then starts peeking through the screen door. Like, ma'am, if this is the wrong house, why are you looking inside? Yeah, that's not curiosity. That's a red flag.
What do you mean the wrong house?
Make that like and subscribe.